Good morning, Ekta. Good morning, Shruti. Good morning, beta. Shall we start the class? Sharmila, Kanishka, good morning. Shall we start the class? Now, last class we were discussing about the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That was that was the revision we started doing with. Now, today we are going to just do some very important questions. One of a very important question of, see, parallelogram related one question we are expecting. It may come in your examination. Fine. Jiva, good morning, beta. Jiva, good morning. Now, next is given, they will be giving that one question I am giving you. Just handle this question. Question is, if diagonals of a parallelogram bisect one of the angles of parallelogram, bisects one of the angle of parallelogram, okay, it also bisects the second angle. It also bisects the second angle. It also bisects, Divya, good morning, beta. It also bisects the second angle. Also prove that it is a rhombus. Also prove that it is a rhombus. So here, one thing back to back we are seeing that also prove that it is a rhombus. One thing back to back we are seeing that they are asking not one part of the question, they are asking more questions related to this. So exactly what content they are asking from you. First part, what they are telling that, okay, the diagonal of a parallelogram are bisecting one of the angle. So only one angle it is bisecting, first point. Second is Satyashri, good morning, beta. Bisect one of the angle of parallelogram. It also bisect the second angle. If it is bisecting one angle, then it is also going to bisect the second angle. Also prove that it is a rhombus. And now you have to prove it is also a rhombus. So this is the most important thing you have to do here. Fine. First, you have to prove one of the side is bisected. Second is you have to prove, Darshini, good morning, beta, it is also a rhombus. So shall we start our work, please? We have already done this question. We have already done this. Darshini, good morning, beta. Yeah, I know, Darshu. ABCD. And now with the help of this, what we are going to do? We will be making two angles. That angle should be equal. So we will take it as 1, 2. And this will be taking, we will take it as 3 and 4. Okay, everyone. Now tell me first, what should be the first point should I write? What should be the first point should I write? Always I am telling you, when you are exactly proving, the first important thing you are going to start with is given. Given to prove that proof. All this content one by one you should write. Fine. So now given work. Given a parallelogram ABCD in which diagonal BC bisect angle B. Okay. Yes. A parallelogram So if it is bisecting, then what is the most important thing we are seeing? A parallelogram ABCD in which side BC bisect angle B. Now if side BC is bisecting angle B, then one very important thing is happening, that is angle 1 will become equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is getting equal to angle 2. This is the most important thing we are seeing here. Angle 1 is coming equal to angle 2. Okay, fine. Shall we go for the next part of it? Now we have to prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove that angle 3 equal to angle 4. We have to prove that angle 3 equal to angle 4. First thing is that we have to prove angle 3 equal to angle 4. That is AC bisect that is, this is AC or it is looking like B, it is A only. So AC bisect so I'm just going to change the statement. It was looking like AC bisects angle. So now we have to prove that AC bisects angle A. That is what bisecting angle A? Yes beta, that is what. It was looking like B only, so I just took like B only. Okay, so I just wrote that one, but the correct one is AC bisects angle A. This was the first part of the proof, and next part of the proof is that the parallelogram is a rhombus and ABCD is a rhombus. So these are the two things we have to exactly prove. First, ABCD is a rhombus. Second part is angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. That is AC bisects angle A. Now come on, tell me the clues what I need, because this question already we have solved and we are going for a revision. So this time I really want myself to run by your brain. So tell me what and all content I am going to use. Shall I use the property of parallelogram? Like in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, and because only one diagonal is there, then opposite sides are equal and parallel. Can I use the concept of the parallelogram like that? That this, because first I want to prove these two triangles to be congruent. And once these two triangles to be congruent, then I'm just going to use one small concept that, okay, by CPCT, I'll make angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. So this was right now my idea, that I want angle 3 will be equal to angle 4 by making the two triangles congruent. I hope you might have understood this point. So now first what I'm going to do is, I will be taking triangle ADC and triangle ABC. So in triangle ADC and triangle ADC and ABC. So I'm just going to take the triangles ADC and ABC. I repeat, I'm taking the triangle ABC and ADC, and in that one now I'm just going to explain part by part that what in all content I have taken. Okay. The first thing is that I will just use the property of parallelogram, because already I know that ABCD is a parallelogram. So directly I hit this part, and now one by one I am going to say that the first work is I am going to take this triangle separately, ADC and ABC. So now shall we say that AD will be equal to BC? Okay, so first we will be writing AD will be equal to BC. Why? Because in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So first work what I have done is, I said that this side is equal to this side. Fine. Now I want alternate interior angles to work. That is, angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. So angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Angle 2, this angle equal to this angle. Angle 2 is coming equal to angle 4. Okay, angle 2 is coming equal to angle 4. Why angle 2 will be equal to angle 4? Because Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 because AD is parallel to BC and AC acts as transversal. AC acts as transversal. So angle 2 is coming equal to angle 4. Now I will say I'm going to take this one as equation 1. Now second, I will say that angle 3 will be equal to angle 5, angle 1. Angle 3 will be equal to angle 1. Why angle 3 will be equal to angle 1? Now this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, so first angle 2 equal to angle 4 I said, and now angle 3 will be equal to angle 1. Angle 3 is coming equal to angle 1. Okay, come on. AC is common, Ashwin. That is the best important point about AC common. But shall we go by alternate interior angle and solve? That is the most easiest method now. See, when you are proving something, the most important part is how you are proving, how nicely you are exactly expressing the content, and how easily you are taking the problem taking the problem towards the solution. So first work what I did is I told angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. Why? Again AD is parallel to BC and AC acts as transversal. So alternate interior angles are equal. So alternate interior angle. So here I am just writing all the important point, that is angle 1. So I am going to take it as 2, and now already in the question it is given that angle 1 equal to angle 2, and this is exactly given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Now are we actually needing to prove something? Are we going to go for congruency? Because I am feeling one more shortcut way, that we don't need congruency here. You know what? We don't need congruency here, because first thing is that now you see angle 1 equal to angle 3. So shall we say that first thing is that angle 2 is coming equal to angle 3. Angle 2, look here. Now angle 1 equal to angle 2. So now angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3. So angle 3 equal to angle 2. And now angle 2 equal to angle 4. Yes or no? If we are going to add everything out now, we are exactly going to get angle 3 equal to angle 4. So if this is equation 3, adding equation 1, 2 and 3, what we are getting, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 1 equal to angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 2. So this angle 2 will get cancelled, angle 1 will get cancelled. Directly I got angle 3 equal to angle 4. So angle 3 equal to angle 4, and that means what? AC bisect angle C. Therefore we can say AC bisects angle C. Jackpot. One part over. Cancel. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. It cannot be getting cancelled. Yeah, angle 1 and angle 2 is getting cancelled. So 3 is coming equal to 4. So one part for sure we have proved. Okay, AC bisects angle C. Now AC bisects angle C means one part directly we hit, and we said that ki jackpot, we have proved that ki diagonal bisect the angles. Diagonal bisects the angle. So if diagonal is bisecting one part of the angle of a figure, then it will bisect the other part of the angle. Now next important thing is ki now till here we have done. Now next part is ki how we are exactly going to prove that it is a rhombus. Now the second part of the proof is exactly totally concentrated towards proving it is a rhombus. Now give me the idea about proving it as a rhombus. Come on, let's see how many of you can give me idea about proving it as a rhombus. Idea about proving it as a rhombus? Yeah, proving means all sides are equal. Say fast. See, I'm going to take these two parts. Everyone pay attention. I'm going to take these two parts. That is angle 2 equal to angle 4 and angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay. So I'm just writing, taking equation 1 and equation 3. Just see, using equation 1 and equation 3. Equation 1 says what? Equation 1 is saying that angle 2 equal to angle 4. Equation 3 is saying what? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. So we are going to add it up. We are going to get angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. So angle 2 will get cancelled. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 4. So now angle 1 equal to angle 4 is exactly coming as common. So that means if I am taking this triangle, this is angle 1, this is angle 4, then what can I say about it? What can I say about it? What can I say about it? Because this is side ABC. Okay, so we are going to say that therefore in triangle ABC, since angle 1 equal to angle 4, therefore AB will also be equal to AC. Why? Opposite sides of an equal sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Yes, AB equal to AC. But why? Because you can say one theorem, that is sides opposite to, I just used just opposite, I merged this, that is sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Okay, fine. So similarly now we are going to take angle 1 we are going to take similarly using equation 2 and 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Therefore, AD equal to DC. Okay, here AB equal to AC is coming and here AD equal to DC. So now adjacent sides we are making equal. So equation 4, equation 5. Since we know that ABCD is a parallelogram, AD will be equal to BC, AB will be equal to DC, therefore AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CD will be equal to AD, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a rhombus. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. All sides are equal, so it is a rhombus. Very simply we have solved. We have not done any big work here. Very simply we have exactly solved. You can go through it one more time to check the solution, but very simple way we have tried to solve this one. So shall we go for the next question? Now next question is what? Next question is what, James? What? Now next question is now let's see. This time you are exactly going to tell me how to solve that. The angle bisector of a parallelogram is a rectangle. Okay, the angle bisector of a parallelogram is a rectangle. This is a very important question. So how we are going to handle this question? The angle bisector of a parallelogram is a rectangle. Okay, so now first what we are going to say, angle bisector of a parallelogram. Drawing is must needed here. Angle bisector of a parallelogram is a rectangle. Shruti, everyone tell me how to draw this one. How to draw this one? The angle bisector of a parallelogram. So if somebody will be telling you angle bisector of a parallelogram, so I am going to take it as ABCD. And now angle bisector of parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram. See, whenever we solve questions now, we keep things side by side and we take things like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and we are connecting the things. So now first point here, what I am going to do is the angle bisector of ABCD. So first I am going to bisect this angle like this. This is the bisector. So these bisectors are meeting like this. Come on, tell me. So these bisectors are meeting like this. Yes or no? Shall we do like this? Shall we do like this? Or the angle bisectors are exactly going to join like this? Fine. So after joining it, one small work we are going to do, we are going to generate a connectivity PQRS. PQRS. Fine. PQRS done. So now given section. ABCD is a parallelogram. APBR, CR, DP. Angle bisector of angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, okay, respectively, meeting at point P meeting at point P R PQRS. Okay, now to prove that, what we need to prove? Come on, quickly tell me what we need to prove here. 90 degree, yes. PQRS is a quadrilateral. Okay, look here. The most important thing is here you have to say that since they are meeting, so PQRS, so definitely PQRS is a quadrilateral. First we are going to say, we are not going to prove everything at a time. We are going to say that PQRS is a quadrilateral. Kindly prove it is a rectangle. Fine. So therefore PQRS is what? Quadrilateral. What we have to prove? We have to prove it is a rectangle. So therefore PQRS is a quadrilateral. I am just writing quad. Okay, quad means quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral. What we have to prove? We have to prove that PQRS is a rectangle. PQRS is a rectangle. Now I want the most shortcut method of solving this question. Let's see who will exactly guide me for the most shortcut method. Most shortcut method. Most shortcut method. Who can go for proving most shortcut method? See here, only one thing is there, कि when somebody will be telling you to it is a quadrilateral and we have to prove that it is exactly a rectangle, the shortcut method is just prove that adjacent sides are 90 degree. Just go for it. Prove that adjacent sides are 90 degree. Prove that adjacent sides are what? Adjacent sides are 90 degree. You will be proving your point. You will be proving your point. Come on, come on. Okay, APD triangle से मत जाओ, don't go by triangle. I am telling you the most shortcut method सीखा, the most easiest and the shortcut method, shortest method, easiest and shortest. They here and there we don't have to go. Means look here, quadrilateral, if all the adjacent sides are all the adjacent angles are 90 degree or opposite adjacent angles are coming, because PQRS is exactly we can take PQRS as a quadrilateral. So now once we have taken as PQRS as a quadrilateral, one small content is needed, and that small content is from quadrilateral. Prove it to from quadrilateral, prove it that it is a rectangle. And see, proving rectangle means just prove adjacent angles are 90 degree. Proving square means we have to prove that opposite sides are equal and parallel and all this thing, that thing. But proving, mark my point, proving it is a quadrilateral, and from quadrilateral it is a rectangle, so we can also go for adjacent angles. So if adjacent angles are exactly coming 90 means 100% it is exactly going to be a rectangle. Okay, so now we have to just write that PQRS is a rectangle. So we are going to start the proof. Now since one very important thing we are going to say that okay, AD is parallel to BC and AB intersect that of angle A and B, yes or no? So look here, AB is parallel to DC and angle A and angle B are exactly getting bisected. So we are exactly going to say that AB intersects them at, so what is exactly happening here? So AD is parallel to BC. ABCD is a parallelogram, na? You know that we will start with ABCD is a parallelogram. We will say that okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. We will start with a better way. ABCD is a parallelogram. I thought I'll go short here, but I'm just going to start with the basic points. Now we can say that since it is a parallelogram, then AD will be parallel to BC. So AD part is coming parallel to BC. Also, now AD is parallel to BC and transversal AB. You see, AD is parallel to BC. Just check this one out. I'm going through the shortest part. So look here, this line AD is parallel to BC. Now this is exactly coming as what? This is coming as transversal. So look here. So what I am going to write that since AD is parallel to BC and AB acts as transversal, AB acts as transversal. So if AB is acting as transversal, then what next work will be there? So AB is exactly acting as transversal. So when AB will be acting as transversal, then we also know that bisector is there. So first work is we are going to write angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. How we can say that this and this is parallel and this is exactly acting as transversal. So now we know that these two sum will be exactly, this two sum will become how much? This two sum will become 180 degree. So if this is x and this is y, then we can say that x plus y will be equal to 180 degree because this is parallel to L. L is parallel to M. L is exactly parallel to M and this one is acting as, AC is acting as transversal. So that means this plus this will be equal to 180 degree. Come on, we can write like that and we can say that sum of consecutive interior angle is 180 degree. Very good, Sikha. Sum of consecutive interior angle is 180 degree. So sum of consecutive interior angle is coming as 180 degree. So now next what we have to do, we have to divide it by half. So once we are dividing it by half, angle A plus angle B, will be equal to 182 divided by 2. So now angle A plus angle B, when we are talking about, then half of angle A is coming and half of angle B is coming, and that will be equal to 90 degree. So what is half of angle A? I'm just going to give you focus, because if you are going for shortcut, then here one thing will be there. Half of angle A, can we take this as angle ABC, ABS, and angle and angle BAS? Okay, so half of angle A, I'm going to write like that. Half of angle A can also be written as, because now I am planning for writing ABS. Angle BAS, half of angle A can be written as angle BAS plus angle ABS will be equal to 90 degree. That means this angle plus this angle, these two angles sum is coming as 90 degree. So in triangle ASB, angle BAS plus angle ABS plus angle ASB will be equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle. So if you are writing like that, now these two angles sum, already you got 90 degree. So we will take it as equation 1. So from equation 1, this will become 90. So 90 plus angle ASB will be equal to 180 degree using equation 1. Jackpot. This is the end of the question. Trust me, this is the end. Okay, very good, Shika. This is what I am also telling. This is the end of the answer. Why this is supposed to be the end of the answer? Because now itself you see ASB is coming as 90. Now once ASB, so your content, your figure is what? So exactly I am drawing the figure here again. So here exactly you have drawn like this and drawn like this. So now ABS is there, and now RPQ. So now ABS by vertically opposite angle, if this is coming as 90 degree, so this one will also become 90 degree. So we are going to say that angle ASB will be equal to angle RSP will be equal to 90 degree by what? By vertically opposite angle. Okay, so now we are successful in proving that at least one of the angle is coming 90 degree. Then are we going to prove that another angle is also coming 90 degree? Again, everything we are going to write, we are going to just say similarly angle RQP will be equal to 90 degree and angle RQP is coming equal to 90 degree. Once we are exactly telling that opposite angles are exactly coming equal to 90 degree. Opposite angles are coming equal to what? 90 degree. Opposite angles are coming equal to 90 degree. Now once we have exactly proved that opposite angles are coming equal to 90 degree, then what next we can do? Because here and here we proved that this angle similarly will become 90 degree, this is coming as 90 degree. Then we know that adjacent angle, means we know that opposite angle or adjacent angle sum is exactly coming as 180 degree. Since they are bisector, we know that they will be bisecting like this. So 100%, if this is coming as 90 degree, this is coming as 90 degree, then we can take like this and we can say that this part will also come 90 degree. Sum of the angles and it will come 90 degrees. So similarly, we are not going to waste our time. We are going to write about the other two. And we can say that we are going to write about the other two and we will be saying that they will also become 90 degree. They will also become 90 degree. That is angle SPQ equal to angle SRP equal to 90 degree. Therefore, PQRS is a rectangle. This is the most shortest proof. Yes. Your school was open, you didn't went to school. So this is the most shortest one. shortest one, shortest. So you understood the concept, what and all you have to do here? Did you have to do a very big work here? No, I went by angle bisector, and with the help of the angle bisector, I just proved that fine, it is exactly going to become a rectangle. It is going to, okay, it is going to become a rectangle. I hope you might have understood this point. Fine, everyone understood? Shall we go back to the next question, please? Shall we go back to the next question? So now we are going to go for another question. Now this question is very important question for you. This question is very important for you. What is exactly given here? That they have given exactly one parallelogram. Now what they are saying that in the given figure, BD is the diagonal. BD is the diagonal. ABCD is there. Now they are telling that in the given figure, what is the given section is in the given figure here they are drawing two very important part. They are drawing AN, and they are drawing this one. Keshav, Sharmila, everyone, come on quickly tell me, are you understanding how to solve this question? This is coming as AN and this is exactly coming as CP. So what is given to you is, in the given figure, these are the perpendiculars on the diagonal. So what is given? ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is what? ABCD is a parallelogram, and in that what they have given, AN and AN and this is P and CP are perpendicular drawn on diagonal, perpendicular drawn on diagonal BD. Perpendicular drawn where? Perpendicular drawn on diagonal BD. So this one part we have written, okay, this is the perpendicular drawn on diagonal BD. After that they are telling to prove what? So first part of the prove, what they are telling that to prove that ADN. So we have to first prove that this triangle ADN. So triangle ADN is congruent to triangle CBP. Okay, so ADN CBP, triangle CBP. Second part of the proof what they are telling that second part of the proof is AN equal to CP. Hey, are you going to do anything big here? Are you going to do anything big here? Come on, quickly tell me, because this question cannot be exactly going to take more time, because this question is really a very simple question. You think about it, how much time you are going to take to solve this question. Mapping is there in the question. Yes, first work is we are going to take triangle, whatever triangle they said, we are going to take the triangle in the proof section. We are exactly going to take the same triangles. So in triangle ADN, in triangle ADN and triangle CBP, ADN and triangle CBP. So first thing is that perpendicular part to already given. So I'm just going to color it with different color. So this part is exactly going to be helpful for us. So this and this is exactly going to be equal. Fine. This is going to be perpendicular 90 degree. This is going to be perpendicular. Now anything connectivity generated, any connectivity we need, because this and this 90 and this is coming. Now any part we need common, quickly say, we will be able to solve it. The last one which is exactly very important for us. and that is this angle will be equal to this angle. So from angle side, we can make that two triangles congruent. Okay, so now first strategy is we are exactly going to write there angle AND will be equal to angle AND will be equal to angle BPC equal to 90 degree. First to angle 90 degree I am just going to take, and I am going to say that since this is coming as 90 degree, so 90 degree coming because AN is perpendicular to BD and CP is perpendicular to BD. Okay, so now this angle is coming 90 degree. Next important point is we are going to say that since ABCD is a parallelogram, so AD will be equal to BC. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal. Since opposite sides are equal, AD will be equal to BC. Now last one, angle ADB equal to angle CBD, alternate interior angle. And once by alternate interior angle we have done, so therefore we can say that triangle ADN is congruent to triangle CBP by angle side. And once we have done it by angle side, who is going to stop us now? We are going to say by CPCT AN will be equal to CP. AN will be equal to CP by CPCT. AN will be equal to CP by CPCT. Come on, quickly tell me, you have understood this point or not? We have not done very big work. I just took this two triangle. The massive part of this is exactly I have taken this triangle, that is AND, and then I have taken this triangle, that is BPC. This is coming as 90 degree. This is coming as 90 degree. This by alternate interior angle. And after that BC will be equal to AD, parallelogram. So by angle side, both the triangles are coming as congruent. Come on, quickly tell me, understood? Yes. Angle side angle. I am going by angle side. Angle side. For me, I went by angle side. You see, 90 angle this one side. So this is called as angle side. Okay, I am having another class with class 10th. Bye everyone.